On this week's episode of the Boho Family Adventure.
Down in the pubs where nobody goes, there's a cheeky Indi picking.
No, why not?
So, change of plan again, problem, and I think it's going to really upset little Indi. Welcome back to another Boho Family Adventure. As you can see, we're all here at one of our favourite campsites, Takaroo. And we've had a mental few weeks with birthdays and birthdays and birthdays. So we've had a few days out where we are going to do loads of really cool stuff. So we went for a trip to the park yesterday, which you'll see on our Instagram. We also have got planned today, we're going to go to the Gruffalo Trail, which is why we want to take you with us to show you some of the things to do on Cannock Chase. And then tomorrow we're taking Indi to an indoor play jungle gym kind of thing, because we are very close to going bike. Really close to going to Wales for a couple of months, so we can do all of our admin and stuff work before we go to Europe and take you with us. So lots of things to do. We need to go fill up with gas, take the van for a drive because the sun's decided to disappear for a few days, get charged up, and yeah, then we're going to take you to the Gruffalo Trail.
This is Daddy.
Hi everybody. I'm just checking our Victron setup to make sure we have got some charge going in. Currently getting 62 watts of solar, and we've only had a yield of 70 today, so yeah, we're going for a little drive.
Yes. And this is Mummy. And this
Hello,
is
beautiful girl.
And this is Banana.
Oh, Vanna.
Yes, it is. So, Daddy is running away.
I'm not running away.
Yes, you are, Daddy.
Oh, I'm back.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, need to have a
Video time. So today we're taking Indi to go and find the Gruffalo. Yeah, you like the Gruffalo, don't you?
Yeah, but it's very spooky.
Yeah, but it's fine, because look, the sun's coming out as well now.
Yay! Okay.
Okay.
Go!
Okay, so this is Indi Cam. This is a camera we've got Indi, and she loves filming things on it, don't you, Indi?
Yeah!
So we're going to film walking through the forest today.
Down in the pubs where nobody goes, there's a cheeky Indi picking.
No, why not? Waiting for pumpkins. Boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, boo, boo.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Indi.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Bovana.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our Boho Family Adventure. So we have come to Birches Valley on Cannock Chase. We normally stay at the Takaroo, moved down, as you know. But we've come to Birches Valleys so we can go on the playground, look at the whole area, but also do the Gruffalo Trail, which Indi's been wanting to do for ages. So I'm just trying to walk and find reception so I can find out where we buy the Gruffalo sheets from. So let's show you around at the same time. That's cool. I didn't know you could do that, but you can actually hire bikes from here. Never knew that you could do. That's cool. I still don't know where you get the Gruffalo thing from there. Little cafe over there. Maybe it's in here. Let's have a look. I think this is the place. So we have a problem, and I think it's going to really upset little Indy. They have closed the Gruffalo Trail for the next, well, they said foreseeable, due to work that needs to be carried out and everything up there. So they have given me an alternative, which is their Forest Journal Wellbeing Tour, which they said we can do, but we've been promising this Indy for like 2 days, 3 days now, and it doesn't say on the website it's closed. So, kind of a very sad little girly. I don't know what to do. Obviously, we've got a park we can play on, but it's about £9 a day, £11 a day to park in. If they haven't got anything for her to do, I'm almost tempted to say we'll take her somewhere else. Here we go. Hey guys.
Hey. Where's mine?
Hi.
Where's mine?
Hey mummy, doing some lunch?
Hi.
Okay, Indy baby, we got some bad news.
What's bad news?
The Gruffalo's not very well.
Oh.
So we can't go see the Gruffalo today.
Why?
I know. So the lady has given us this one we can go on, where we can go and search for things using treasure maps. And she says we can go and play on the park for free.
Huh? This is my book.
Yeah, so would you like to do that book instead? And when the Gruffalo's better, we'll come and find the Gruffalo again, okay?
Why Buffalo isn't better?
Well, that went a little bit better than I thought.
What
Yeah,
happened?
so it's all closed for foresting and regeneration and stuff.
Why is it better, Daddy?
Look, you should have really noticed. It's all, I don't know if you can see, but it is all completely fenced off.
Mummy?
And annoyingly, I can literally see one of them as well. So we'll have to come back and have a look another time, but if we look inside this book, look, we've got to search for things that we can hear, that we can taste, we can see, we can touch and we can smell.
Wow.
And we've got a colouring book, and you've got to write when you can see all these things in here.
So get munching and we'll go searching with our treasure map.
And we can go play on the park. How's that sound?
Yay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, darling. So, change of plan again. We've decided that with the Gruffalo walk being closed and the other one being a kind of adult wellbeing walk, we are going to go back to the park we went to yesterday. We're going to film it this time, and then we're going to go and have a look around the Takaroo and kind of all that way again. So we're just going to pay for parking because we've been here over an hour, I think, and then we're going to go and check everything else out. So yeah, it's a bit expensive to stay parked here all day. So it's a good little area. We love Cannock Chase, we love the Takaroo, but the price of parking to stay here if you just wanted to come for a walk or a bike ride is ridiculous. So we've just been here 30 minutes and it's cost £3.50. If we're here all day, it costs £11. If you go to the Takaroo, you can stay there for the whole night for £15 and you get all the walks and everything. So yeah, we'll be giving this one a miss for a bit. Well, not a great day today. Things didn't really go to plan. Made it good though. We ended up going to just the normal park that we go to near the campsite Takaroo where we stayed. We didn't really want to pay £7.50. Actually would have been nearer to £11 for parking when the one thing we were going there wasn't working. So we went and played in the park, and now it's getting on. It is nearly 4:20, so we're going to be having some tea soon. But I just wanted to tell you about a few things. So we've had a lot of things going on and a lot of things happening in regards to the van. So I do apologise, we haven't given you a van tour yet. There's loads we want to tell you, which we can't really tell you at the moment, but we will do. And it'll break down kind of what's happening in the whole buying process of the van and how it didn't kind of exactly go to plan. So sorry if this is a boring episode. I would show you some things around Takaroo, but there is a whole video on that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description and a little bar up there for you to go and have a look at, because this is one of our favourite campsites in the UK, and it's great value for money for the huge amount of land that you can roam around, and in the week as well. It's especially when the kids are at school, it's really quiet. Tonight we're just gonna have some food, have a chill, because Indi's been running around all day, so she's pretty shattered, and we will be back with you again very soon. So please subscribe to the channel. It means so much, and it's really simple to do. Just click the ding and then the bell ding, and it will update you when we get on new videos. We've got loads of brand new videos coming, which are going to be more steered towards our experiences of traveling, as well as the vlogs that we are currently doing. So it will be much more of a informational section of the channel, which I'm really looking forward to do. I'm learning some new things with editing, and we've got some new cameras and things like that. So but we'll be still doing the vlogs and everything as well, because we know that people do like them. We do get some great comments on them as well, and we're just looking forward to meeting new people via the channel, hopefully, and we can arrange some meetups and have some play dates and things like that, which is cool. So yeah, if you could subscribe, and also let me know if you have ever been to one of the Gruffalo trails. I know they're all over the country, but if you could let us know, that'd be great. But in the meantime, it's going to be a short one, this one, so a bit boring, but that's it. Van life, it's day as it is. I could have filmed you filling up with gas, but that's even boringer, isn't it? Boringer? Anyway, but thank you very much for watching, and we'll be back with another episode very soon.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos, and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye.